At Fluvius, we build and manage the public utility lines in the Belgian streets that deliver electricity, gas, sewage systems, cable distribution, and warmth to our customers. We connect households to those utility lines and also manage public illumination in Flanders. Our journey with Cegeka started in 2013. Back then, our Oracle architecture ran on Windows OS, non-RAC, with Oracle failsafe as high availability and disaster recovery solution. Together with Cegeka, we switched the DRP solution to Oracle Data Guard, which increased hugely the availability of our Oracle databases during the quarterly maintenance windows. The outage for our applications during those black weekends decreased from many hours to 10 minutes. A few years later, back in 2017, we started our journey towards engineered systems and opted for an on-premise X7 Exadata appliance. Moving to Exadata platform gave us the opportunity to consolidate, which resulted in a huge license cost benefit. The switch from Windows to Linux also increased performance and overall stability. During the next years, 2 separate companies were acquired by Fluvius, which forced us to rescale our Oracle platform to a new X8M Exadata with ZFS, so we could accommodate approximately 250 databases. For one of those databases, which is our 25 terabyte key player in the energy capacity pricing, we needed a solution to provide copies on a daily basis at the lowest cost possible in time and provisioning resources. Together with Cegeka, we found that solution in the functionality of DataGuard using Snapshot Standby. Since we implemented that solution, we gained resources on different levels. First of all, time. We now can provide production data to a non-production site in less than 1 hour, so a hugely time-saving solution. Secondly, all is executed on Exadata level, which involves only the Oracle DBA team, so saving a lot of human resources in other teams. For us at Fluvius, the decision to move to engineered system, Exadata and ZFS was a good one. Despite some hiccups along the way, the overall experience is positive, and we hope to continue our engineered system journey over the next years.